Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, HOU Living in Houston. And if you're new to our channel, my name is Trish, together with my husband, who's also my partner, Sunny, and the whole team of HOU, we want to give you a warm welcome. We are a channel who like to showcase on the lifestyle of Houston, Houston real estate. So you'll see that we are going to showcase some neighborhoods and different areas. So if there's ever an area or neighborhood in particular that you would like us to showcase, please write down below in our comments and we'll be more than happy to oblige. So for today, we have something a bit different. We actually want to showcase different YouTube channels that are maybe very important for someone who's either moving to Houston or is maybe already living in Houston. Because these are channels that will give you updates about different things, whether it's the news, sports, or just lifestyle events happening in Houston. So you'll definitely want to check them all out. We're also going to link them below in the description box. So let's just dive into today's topic. I mentioned earlier that we're going to showcase today the top 5 channels that you can check on YouTube. Some of our favorites are HoustonLife, so let's look for them. Here we go, HoustonLife. So I really like HoustonLife because it showcases it's a fantastic lifestyle channel. It brings you the essence of Houston as a vibrant city that it is. All the trendy hotspots, local events, and must-visit attractions. So you definitely don't want to miss this fun and fabulous content that they share with us. Here we go. Here are a lot of the things that they showcase. Full show experience, island time. Here you go, Houston life events, things to do. So you can check out what are things that they suggest that you can do, which is always good because you always want to try out new things. You have here even like recipes, things you can do maybe at home. So it's a really like overall fun and entertaining channel. So you definitely want to check it out. So for our next channel, we want to showcase Houston Zoo. I know I really love going to a zoo, looking at all the different animals and just observing what each of them does, eats, and how they interact with each other. So that's always fun. So here we go, Houston Zoo. So here you're going to find fascinating encounters with exotic animals from around the world. Journey with them as they explore wildlife conservation, adorable animal antics, and educational programs. Here you can see that they have about the sea turtle. Here they have sea turtle exam. So they really showcase all the animals they have in the zoo. It's definitely a channel with a wild adventure and you'll definitely want to be a part of it. So let's go on to our next channel. We have the Houston Chronicle. The Houston Chronicle is a kind of channel that keeps you informed and in the know with all of Houston. They have from breaking news, as you can see, they have also in-depth interviews, local stories, and they just keep you connected with everything happening in Houston. It's definitely a go-to source for all things Houston. So you'll definitely want to subscribe to their channel as well. Next up, we have KHOU. This is a news channel. They also showcase a lot about sports, news happening in Houston. So you'll definitely want to check them out. They highlight all the games, all the sports games. They also highlight anything that's happening in Houston, as you can see in their channel.
So it's definitely a channel also worth subscribing to and checking out. And last but definitely not least, we have the Texas bucket list. So if you're in the mood for some Texas-sized adventures, then the Texas bucket list is the channel to go. Although it's not exclusively Houston-based, they feature some of the Lone Star State's most incredible hidden gems and unforgettable experiences. Get ready to add some items to your own bucket list after watching this channel. So here we go. Here are the different things that they showcase. So it's definitely also a channel worth visiting. So there you have it. Top 5 Houston channels to visit on YouTube.
Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like more videos like this, please comment down below. Remember to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. So whether moving to Houston in 9 days or 90 days, remember we're here for you. Till next time.